That's championship football, Tom. Keep training exactly like this.
Second place again, Ryan. We'll discuss this tonight.
I promise you, I'll win this championship for us. This medal doesn't even feel like mine.
It's just this once.
This one's flagged. Watson T. Positive result confirmed.
Tom Watson is suspended pending a full investigation.
Dad, someone's deleting the files right now, live!
That's the one we needed before Saturday, lads.
That's championship football, Tom. Keep training exactly like this.
Watson's basically already won it for us.
Second place again, Ryan. We'll discuss this tonight.
One more. Just one more before I stop.
That shot would never beat a real goalkeeper, Ryan.
You don't have to win everything to matter, love.
Second place means failure in this family. Remember that.
I can't keep losing to him. I can't.
Greenwood will host the regional championship this year.
You've earned this armband, Tom. Wear it proudly.
I promise you, I'll win this championship for us.
Winning isn't always about who scores the goal. Richard, we should discuss the sports budget again privately. What exactly are you proposing this time, Victor?
You wanted me here for this, sir?
The new equipment funding could cover it, technically.
Nobody outside this room hears any of it.
I'll grab that one after I shower, Coach.
It's just this once. Just this once.
See you tomorrow. Big day for training.
This is completely routine, Tom. Nothing to worry about. Sample sealed and logged under your name now.
Greenwood samples in, running it through today. This one's flagged. Watson T. Positive result confirmed.
That's not possible. Tom would never do that.
We have a serious matter to address this morning. Tom Watson is suspended pending a full investigation.
Sorry, mate, I've got somewhere else to be.
I don't care what they say. I believe you.
I just need to be alone right now.
Did you actually drink from your bottle that day?
Walk me through exactly when the test happened, please.
This substance shouldn't even be in his system.
You're Tom Watson's sister.
He didn't do this.
There's cameras on that pitch. Check them, love.
This is the wrong angle. We need the shed cam. The file's corrupted. It won't even open properly.
Dad, the whole folder from that day is gone.
Nobody accidentally deletes an entire folder like this.
This isn't just about Tom anymore, is it?
This old backup still runs. Nobody remembers it exists.
It's asking for credentials none of us have.
Try the old staff password from the yearbook page. Dad, someone's deleting the files right now, live! I copied what I could before it disconnected.
Give me an hour. I can rebuild fragments like this. It worked! We've got about half the footage.
It cuts out right before the important part. That's Ryan. Ryan was near his bottle that day. It's not enough proof. Not yet, anyway.
This metal doesn't even feel like mine.
You've barely spoken since the championship, sweetheart. What's wrong?
Whatever you're thinking of doing, don't do it.
Mom, there's something about Tom I need to say.
Ryan, we're going to be late for training.
I was collecting balls near the bench that day. I saw Ryan near the bottles. I remember clearly. I can't say anything else. I'm sorry.
You didn't see anything. Understand me completely, Sam.
You don't have to protect anyone but yourself, Sam. All right, I'll tell them everything I actually saw.
I want a full retest. I deserve that much.
We'll trace every step of the chain again. Wait, this timestamp doesn't actually match the log. Your son's sample was logged 19 minutes late. Someone signed this form before it was ready.
This authorization came directly from Greenwood's principal himself.
These sports donations don't add up correctly, Mr. Watson. Victor Kane funded 3 separate accounts this year alone. Mason received a bonus right after the test.
Every single approval traces back to Collins's signature.
This isn't the first tournament they've manipulated, David.
2 other players lost everything the same way.
The full file's here. Every second of it.
There it is. That's the entire proof, Lily.
The timestamp lines up exactly with the lab gap.
We finally have everything we need to prove it. This goes straight to the championship ceremony tomorrow.
Congratulations, Ryan Kane, our new team captain.
Before this continues, everyone needs to see something. Ready when you are. It's already connected. Watch this, then decide who the real champion is.
I never wanted any of this to happen. It was me. I put it in his bottle.
This changes absolutely nothing about my son's future.
I only did what I was told to.
Everyone, please, let's discuss this calmly and properly.
We'll need statements from everyone involved today, please. This footage will be logged as official evidence.
We're formally confirming the sample was deliberately tampered with.
Mr. Collins, you're suspended pending the full inquiry. Victor Kane, you're under arrest for financial fraud.
I'm sorry, Tom. I should have stopped it sooner.
Let's finally finish what we actually started, team. Push forward now! 1 shot left!
We are so unbelievably proud of you, Tom. If this story moved you, please subscribe and comment below.
We read every single one.